Hello, everybody. How are you doing? It's me, the Tunisian researcher Morat Sofanisvili. He's now with you to let you solve 10-degree polynomial equation using the discrete formula or the new theorem of Morat Sofanisvili. Okay, let's start. Before that, I'm going to share, let's say, the screen with my learners, either professors or colleagues or students, so that you can will be benefit from this okay from this uh, okay I will now start just a moment. So the kid is not being such a okay. Okay, let's start, my kids. So solve 10-degree polynomial equation using the discrete formula of Murad Sultan's video. Okay, let's start. So this the rest are not explained. Okay, example 8. We are going to solve example 8 matrix. I will make this one, or I will erase this. So page 55. We reach page 55. Okay. Now, my kids, this is the polynomial to the power 10. We are going to solve this one. Okay. So you can see this one. It's p of x can be written as x raised to the power 10 plus 10 x raised to the power 9 plus 45 x raised to the power 8 plus 120 x raised to the power 7 plus 210 x raised to the power 6 plus 200 x raised to the power 5 minus 50 x raised to the power 4 minus 400 x cubed minus 475 x squared plus 200 minus 250 plus 50. So you can see this one, L0 is minus 10, L1 is 45, L2 is 100 and negative 120, L3 is 210, then L4 is negative 200, then L5 not change, it will be negative 15, and then 6 is 400, okay, and L7 is negative 475, and L8 is 250, okay, and the last one is 30. Okay, let's first come here. Okay, now we are going to use the discrete formula of Mr. Multiple. You can see this one, my kids, e to the power 10 can be written in its standard form. P of x equal x to the power 10 minus L0 to x to the power 9 plus L1 of 42 x to the power 8 minus L2 of 42 x to the power 7 plus L3 of 42 x to the power 6 minus L4 of 42 x raised to the power 5 plus L5 of 42 x raised to the power 10 minus L6 of 42 x raised to the power 3 plus L7 of 42 x squared minus L8 of x L8 of 42 x plus L9 of 42. You see this one in fact equals going to the power 10. We are going to solve this. So let's check now by using the theorem of multiple video, that is called a discriminant formula. Discriminant formula of multiple video. Now when putting k equals 0, then we will obtain let's say s minus 1 of order q is equal to 1. Okay, let's now continue. We calculate, my kids, S0. To find S0, we should put k equal 1 in the discrete formula of me, then we'll obtain the following. I just obtain a 0 for the R, or for the Q is in fact weight equal to 0, because the sum of the exponents of the new and degree from the equation is equal to 0. Therefore, I'm going to substitute this here, a 0 for the R or a 0 for the Q is equal to minus 10 is 1 times minus 10 is 90, okay, plus 10, of course, which is 100, and 10 multiplied by negative 10 is minus 100. So the sum is equal to 0. Now, in order to find S1, we just put k equal We just put k equal 2 in the decimal formula of me. Then we obtain that S1 of order 2 equal negative combination 1 choose 1 times combination into 2 times the 0 order to 12 plus n squared times n1. So just calculation, and I will obtain S1 is equal to, what is S1? Yes, it will be equal to 0. Okay, simply because combination 1 choose 1 times combination 10 is 2, this is 10 is 45, times n squared is 4,500. Of course, there is negative sign means minus 4,500 plus 100 times 45 means plus 4,500. So this one is equal to 0. Now we calculate now S2 matrix. To find S2, we just put K equal 4 in the decimal formula of Murad Sultan GB. Then we obtain the S3 in fact is equal to combination, negative combination 6 with 1 times combination n plus 4 times 0 to the raised to the power 4 plus combination n minus 6 with 2 times n raised to the power 2 times n squared times n1 minus combination n minus 6 with 1 times n0 for the 2 times n3 plus n raised to the power 4 times. Therefore, I'm going to use the coefficient of my original third degree form equation, and then I'm starting from n minus 1, which is 1, up to L3. L3 is going to be 250. Then by calculation, this one, so it will be equal to the 4S3 matrix is going to be equal to, you can check the calculation and do it by yourself. Okay, so now my kids and my professors and learners here, let's say, to find, let's say, S4, you should put K equal 5 in this formula of me, and then you are going to elaborate, let's say, this formula. Just a moment, don't break that. Elaborate this, so we'll obtain the S4 in fact equal combination 4 choose 1 times combination n plus 5 times 0 for 2 raised to the power 5 minus combination n minus 2 times n squared times 0 for 2 cubic times n1 upon 2 plus combination n minus 3 to 2 times n cubic times 0 for 2 squared times minus combination n minus 4 choose 1 n raised to the power 4 times 0 for 2 times n3 plus n raised to the power 5 times n2. So you see, this example we solved it, let's say, before, but the coefficients are different. The coefficients are, this is 10, this is 45, this is 120, this is 210, this is 200, this is negative 30, this is negative 400, this is negative 475, and this one is negative 250, and this one 30. So now we change the sign of this example, okay? And we will replace this, so you can see that combination S4 equal combination 4 to 1 times combination 10 to 5 times negative 10 raised to the power 5. You see, 10 raised to the power 5 is a common factor. Okay, you can put it outside the bracket, then calculate only the coefficient of your original term from the equation, and then you are going to see this in fact is equal to 52 times 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, so if you want, I will calculate this one for you. Okay, just a moment. Okay, I will use my calculator, so that will be familiar. How can you calculate this? This is 4 multiplied by what? Multiply by 10 plus 5. This is 10 plus 1, 10 plus 2, 3, 4, 5. Means multiply by 252. Okay? Then you see the negative sign? Means I will multiply by minus 1. Multiply between 13 minus 1. Okay. Then a plus 8 to 3. 8 to 3 means 56. Plus 56 multiplied by 45. Multiplied by 45. Then, okay, 10 raised to the power 5 is a common factor. Minus by minus is positive. Then minus here by positive is minus. So the right minus. Minus 750. 752 is 21. Multiply my colleagues by 120. Okay, by 120. Okay. Then minus multiplied by minus is positive. Plus 10 raised to the power 4 times 10 raised to the power 1 is 10 raised to the power 5, which is a common factor. So plus 6 multiplied by 210. Then, okay, then minus 200. Okay, immediately I will make minus 3. Okay, minus 200. Okay, just a moment, I just need to calculate it. We have 4 multiplied by 10 to 5, called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 252. Then multiply by negative sign. That is multiply by negative 1. Then close the parentheses. Then you see minus h is 3 times negative, okay, negative sign. So it will be positive. Plus h is 3. This is h is 3 is 56. 5 times 45 times 45. Then minus 72722 is 21. 21. Multiply by what? This is minus, followed by minus is minus. 722 is 21. Multiply by 120. Multiply by 120. Multiply by 120. Then minus 6 multiplied by negative sign should be positive. So plus 6 multiplied by 110. 6 multiplied by 210. Then minus 200. Then minus 200. Okay. Multiply by what? The rest multiply by 10 raised to the power 5. So this one equals 53 times 10 raised to the power 5, because from the beginning we thought that 10 raised to the power 5 is the common. Okay. Now the rest for k equals 6, then we'll obtain. Means put k equals 6 in the decimal formula of multiple times digit, then we'll obtain s5 in fact is equal to, this is the original formula. Okay, s5 of order r equal minus combination 5 to 1 times combination. Of course, here this is 10 of 9. Okay, let's do. Okay, we call the 6 and the c, it will be 10 because I'm working with highest power is 10. Then 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Then this is 7. Then this is 6. Then this is 5. Okay, almost that. Okay. Now my kids, I will obtain this one to be yes, the same as the negative combination 5 should 1, then 10 should 6, then 8 should 4, the same here, then 7 should 3, then 6 should 2, and the last one is 5 should, should 1. Okay. Now just calculation, you will obtain that this one is equal to 0. Okay. I can use my calculator and I will start. You see 10 raised to the power 6 is a common factor. So it will be negative 5 times 10 to 6 is 210 times 210. Okay. Why? Simply because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 210. Then this is positive multiplied by positive is positive. So plus. Plus what makes it? Plus 8 to 4. 8 to 4. It will be 8 to 4 for this here. 8 to 4. Sorry. Okay, 8 to 4 is that. 8 to 4. 8 to 4, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 17. Okay, again, check. 8 to 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we call that plus 17. Plus 70 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 45. Then minus, multiplied by minus 40. Multiplied by minus is minus. So I'll make minus. Minus what? 7 to 3. 7 to 3 is that. 7 to 3. 1 to 3. Minus 4, 35. 35. Multiply 35. Multiplied by 120. Then 6 to 2 is 15. So to be plus 15. Plus 15 multiplied by 210. Okay. Then minus multiplied by minus is positive. Multiplied by minus is negative. I'll make minus. 5 by 200 is 1000. Okay. Then minus 50. Minus 50. So this one is in fact equal to 0. Okay. Now we continue. Okay, for k equals 7, then minus replace k equals 7 in the theorem problem, so مرة ترجيبي, and we obtain the following. Okay, so a 7, my kids, the formula to find a 6 is that. A 6 for the R equals combination 6 to 1 times combination 10 to 7. Okay, times a 0 for the t raised to the power 7, which is negative 10, because this is negative 10. Okay, then minus combination 8 to 5 and squared times n raised to the 5 raised to the power 5 times n1 for 3 plus 7 to 4 and 3 times n0 for 4 raised to the power 4 times 3 minus combination 6 to 3 n raised to the power 4 times n0 for 2 raised to the power 3 times n3 for 3 plus combination 5 to 3 n raised to the power 5 times n0 for 2 raised to the power 2 times n4 for 3 minus combination 41 n raised to the power 6 times n0 times n5 plus n raised to the power 7 times n6. Means I'm going to use all the coefficients of my original 10 dividend equation, starting from n minus 1 upon 2 by convention equal to 1 up to n6, which is 400. I will substitute all this value in this formula when n equals 10. Okay? So you can see this one in fact is equal to 0. Technically, this matrix is going to be equal to. Okay. Now we continue to find, let's say, a 7. We put k equal 8 in the decimal formula of me, then we'll obtain the following. Okay, after writing our 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 7 for the R in its lowest term or in its simplest term. Okay, so this one is going to be equal to combination 7 to 1 times 10 combination 10 to 8 times 0 to the power 8 plus combination 8 to 6 times n squared times 0 to the power 6 times 1 minus combination 7 to 5 times n cubed times 0 to the power 5 times n3 plus combination 6 to 4 n raised to the power 4 times 0 to the power 4 times n3 to 2 minus combination 5 to 3 times n raised to the power 5 times 0 to the power 3 times n4 plus combination 42 times n raised to the power 6 times 0 to the square times n5 to 2 minus combination 2 to 1 n raised to the power 7 times 0 to the power 1 times n6 upon 2 plus n raised to the power 8 times n7 upon 2. Means this is the last general formula to find the center for the R that had been derived from the history formula of multiplication. Now just from substitution, we substitute this in kids and we will obtain that this one is happy with it. Okay, I will take this value. Okay, I will come up like that so that it will be clear for you. Okay, like that. Okay, here my kids, we have what exactly. I will erase everything here. I will start. Negative. We see 10 raised to the power 8 is a common factor. No need to write it. Put outside the brackets. Okay, means don't write it in your side. when you find the last value, if it is 0, no need to multiply by 10 raised to the power 8. If it is different value, so we should multiply by this common factor. Okay, let's start. We have negative 7 times 10 raised 10 to the 8. 10 times 8, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 means 45. So just write negative 7 multiplied by 45 will plus 8 to 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means a plus 28. Plus 28. Multiply by what, my kids? Multiply by 45. Then minus, multiply by minus is negative. So make here, make it negative. Negative what? 7 plus 5. This is what? 2, 3, 4, 5 means negative 21. Multiply my kids, okay, by 120. Then 4 through 6 to 4 is 15. So plus 15 multiply by 210. For this is 210. Then minus multiply by minus is negative 5. So minus 10 multiplied by 200 means 10 multiplied by 200, it should be minus 2000. Okay. Then minus, this is positive, multiplied by negative, it will be negative 5. So make negative. Negative what, my kids? Negative 6 multiplied by 15. Negative 6, negative 6 multiplied by 15. By 15. Okay. Then minus multiplied by minus is plus 3 multiplied by 400. Multiply both by 400. Okay. Then minus 475. Minus 475. So this one, my kids, in fact, is equal to 0. Therefore, S7 is equal to 0. Now, let's put k equal 9 in the decimal formula I need. Then we will obtain the following. Then, in negative, okay, I will obtain S8. So S8, in fact, my kids, after developing this extension and making, let's say, 0.0 to the power 9 as a common factor, and make the difference between n choose 9 n times n minus 1 to 8, we will obtain this difference is going to be equal to combination 8 is 1 times combination 8 is 9. N is any number, okay? So, minus to n minus 2 to 7 n squared times 0.0 to the power 7 times n1 over 2 plus combination n minus 2 to 6 times n cubed times 0.0 to the power 6 times n cubed. After q plus minus combination n minus 4 to 5 times n raised to 4 times 0.0 to the power 5 times n to the power 2 plus combination n minus 4 to 2 n raised to the power 5 times 0.0 to the power 4 times 4 over 2 minus combination n minus 6 to 3 n raised to the power 6 times 0.0 to the power 2 times 5 to 2 plus combination n minus 4 to 2 times n raised to the power 7 times 0.2 squared times 6.2 minus combination n minus 6 is 1 times n raised to the power 8 times 0.0 to the power 1 times n 6.u plus n raised to the power 9 times 8. This one will give you exactly the coefficient of your candidate in your program. Okay. Now just calculation fix and substitution n 10 and 0 or let's say n substitute n minus 1 over 2. Okay, with their values, we will take this one in fact is equal to 0. Okay, I will just calculate this for you so that you'll be familiar with this kind of calculation. Okay, so now I will use this one method. Sorry, okay, what is this? Okay, I will use the calculator, everything raised. So we have 8 times 10 means 80. Because 10 is 9 is 80. There is negative sign. Multiply by negative 1. By negative 1. Okay. Then minus multiplied by minus. You see 10 squared times 10 raised to the power 7 is 10 raised to the power 9. It's coming after them. No need to add it. Then it will be plus 8 multiplied by 45. 8 multiplied by 45. 45. Then minus 7 minus 7 multiplied by 120. Okay. Then plus minus by minus plus minus plus 6 multiplied by 210. Okay. Then minus by positive is minus. So just right here minus. Minus what? 5 multiplied by 200. Multiplied by 200. Okay. Then minus by minus is negative. Okay, this is also negative. Negative. This is negative. So it will be negative multiplied by negative multiplied by negative is negative. Okay. Is negative. 4 by 50 is 200. Then plus multiplied by plus is positive. So it will be plus 1200 because 3 by 400. Then minus multiplied by minus multiplied by minus is negative. Negative what? Negative 2 multiplied by 479, 75. So 2 equals minus, okay, minus 2 multiplied by 475. Then plus 250. Plus 250. Of course, multiply by 10 raised to the power 9 is going to be equal because simply because the sum of this is equal to 0. When we multiply by the common factor, which is 10 raised to 9, we get 0. Okay. Now we can conclude that all the s sub k minus 1 to the r are equal to 0 except what? Except s4 and what else, which is 52 times 10 raised to the power 5, and s minus 0 plus 9 is equal to 0. Meaning that to solve this original template from equation, we are going to calculate the subscript s subscript k minus 1 plus r, and we can write it as x raised to the power 5 squared minus s4 x raised to the power 5 or raised to the power 1 plus S9. Okay. Now to find S9 matrix, we should just take K equal 10 with this formula of multiple 2D, and we will obtain the last formula that had been generalized from this one. Okay, and had been simplified. Okay, and we can use this for this one S9 whatsoever. Travel whatsoever, ever in America or in Britain or in Tunisia or in Japan or whatsoever you are living, you can find S9 without this formula. Okay, this will give you the coefficient, the correct coefficient of your ten of your new Newton equation that has the x roots, and the x roots has a relationship between the roots of your original 10-degree equation. Okay, now my kids, that's completion, and we will take this one is equal to 81 times 10 raised to the power of 10. So it will be 81 times 10 raised to the power 10. So in other words, S0 is equal to 0, S1 is equal to 0, S2 is equal to 0, S3 is equal to 0, but S4 for the equal 52 times 10 raised to the power 5. Okay, and what else? And S5 is equal to 0. S6 also is equal to 0. Okay, can we put that? Okay, and S7 is equal to 0. S8 is equal to 0, and S9 is equal to 81 times 10 raised to the power 10, or 9 times 10 raised to the power 5 all squared. So your new 10-degree equation that professors and teachers and colleagues and so my learners, okay, has to be written as that. P of x equals x raised to the power 10 minus S0 of OD2. Here you can write this as that, my kids. Okay, to be clear for you, this one is going to be that, and this one is minus 1 of all the R. S minus 1 by convention is 1. So it remains to write this one as that x minus s minus 1 of all the R x raised to the power 10 minus s0 of all the R x raised to the power 9 plus s1 of all the R x3 minus s4 of all the R x raised to the power 7 plus s3 of all the R x raised to the power 6 minus s4 of all the R x raised to the power 5 plus s5 of all the R x raised to the power 4 minus s6 of all the R x cubed plus s7 to the r x squared minus s8 to the r x cubed to the power 1 plus s9 to the r equals 0. So you can write this as that. We told that all the coefficients of my Newton degree equation are equal to 0 except s minus 1 and s4 and s9. So I will write my new equation and put in x raised to the power 5 equal y. So I will obtain p of y equal y squared minus s4 to the r y raised to the power 1 plus s minus to the r. Okay. To find this one, my kids, this one has to be written as that. Okay. I'll just write okay. I will write this one. Okay, no problem. I will take this one. So look, this polynomial to the power 10, this one I mean, okay. So this is p of y equal y squared minus s4 raised to the power r times y raised to the power 1 plus 9. This one, my kids, you should find in the new coefficient of this second degree from equation. You are going to use the same formula multiple times daily, and you tell that this one, in fact, this is 2. Okay, this is S0 of order R dash, for example, or Q or whatever, or this is Q dash, Q dash, that's Q dash, okay, and this is S1, S1, S1 of order, of course, Q dash, okay. So, this is in terms of course, this is I just make raised to the power many to 5, or just put as y whatsoever, okay. So, you see here, my kids, I will suppose this is y, okay, as like that. This is y, okay. So, you see, the decimal formula, my kids, of this has to be written like that. Therefore, a 0 is equal to 0 always for any entity from this equation. This one, in fact, is equal to 0. It remains only y squared plus s1 equal to dash equals 0. To solve for y, we should transfer s1 equals to dash on the right hand side. That's why here it's written as minus s1 equal to dash equals. Because we calculate s1 equal to dash using the distance from the upwards and when n equals 2, okay, we find that S1 is the opposite of your classic or classic distance formula that you already know, okay? But this method is the exact form to find this formula, okay? So uh, between S1 is 43 dash and the distance formula that is b squared minus 43 is the negative sign, and this one is genuine, okay? So I'll calculate this, it will be equal to negative 2,390 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10. So the square root, therefore this is negative, okay, as it is negative means I receive positive roots. I take this one roots, of course, determinant of x raised to the power 5, okay. So here, my kids, I'll just write y equal negative s4, this is negative s4, negative s4 will give you s4 plus negative root of this. So it will be 52,000. Okay, I will just write as that. Okay, I will plus this one. Maybe. Okay, 52 times of course there is no multiplication. Okay, I will cross this one now. Okay, 52. is 52. 52 times 10 raised to the power 5 plus, okay, plus negative, okay, 2380 times 10 raised to the power 10. 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power half, it will be 10 raised to the power 5. And 2380 divided by 4, in fact, is 595. Let's check. We have, sorry, okay, just a moment. I'll say this one. No, okay. Okay, so we call that, I will make 3,800 and, 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 sorry, 2,380 divided by 4, divided by 4. Okay, so this one is equal 595. Okay, so أهلين يا جوري أسلام بس أطمن تشتغل نقطة شوي بس نقطة. Okay, we continue. We told that this is of course is 52. I will take this, okay, copy, and make it. Okay, 52 times 10 raised to the power 5. So it will be in fact equal, I will raise now 26,000. I will write it as 26 times 26 times what? Times 10 raised to the power 5 plus negative 10 raised to the power 5 times root of 595. So you can see this one. This is y. Y we told is x raised to the power 5. Therefore, y equals s4 plus negative root of negative s1 equals to that divided by 2 equals 10 raised to the power 5 times 26 plus negative root of 595. These are real because the root of 595 is less than 26. Let's check. Okay, raise it to the power 0.5. Okay, let's check it please. So it will be 24.3 approximately. So this one is a waste factor. Now if the y equal x to the power 5, therefore s substitute from root of 4 is the root, the fifth root of this. Okay, so it will be 10 because 10 raised to the power 5, okay, raised to the power 5 is 10 times 26 plus, I take plus first, 595 raised to the power 5, okay, exponential 2ki pi over 5 simply because this one is part of the real negative sigma and negative sigma. And the next will be 10 times 26 minus root of 559 raised to the power 5 times exponential 2ki pi over 5. Now this one, the x roots of my tangential equation. To find the roots of my original tangential equation, I should write data substitute k from 0 to 8 to 9, but it's subdivision. It will be a 0.42 plus xk substitute from 0 to 4 divided by 10. Just substitution here. It will be matrix 10 plus 10 times 26 minus root of 595 raised to the power 5 times exponential to k I pi over 5 divided by 10. 10 is a common factor to be simplified to be 1 plus 26 minus root of 595 raised to the power 5 times exponential to k I pi over 5. Or the other fifth roots are 1 minus 26 plus root of 595 raised to the power 5 exponential to I pi over 5. So these are the roots matrix. Okay, thank you for listening and hope so guys you get the point. Now I will just ask a question for Microsoft Math Formula to solve this kind of questions, okay, and see what we do what the answer would be. Okay, so give me at least 1 minute to okay to express this. Okay, okay. This is my 3 to the power 10. I will now use GeoGebra or whatsoever to solve this one. Okay, let's see. I'll come here to Microsoft, Microsoft, Microsoft Math Server. Let's see what we can do. Well, this is Microsoft Math Server. Okay. So I will give him an example, right? I will tell him solve this one. So he can, okay, why you didn't make this one? Okay, okay, come here, right here, okay, control C, check, why doesn't copy paste, you see, doesn't work, okay, I will put it right to me, yeah, mhm, okay, I'll get ChatGPT, ChatGPT, nothing, okay, so that, ChatGPT, why doesn't work, doesn't work, how can you say not much, okay, close this one, okay, okay, come here, okay, just a minute, I don't like this one, I can just install this, install, sorry, control panel, control panel, okay, install program, where is it, where is it, where is it, this one, go to it, install, yes, okay, the type of so you want to know this, make sure, no, let's install this, then I'll, and clear data clearly visually. Clear, clear. Okay. Alright. Okay, so let's install this. Then I'm going to do it again. Okay. I'm waiting for installing this application. And then we'll see. Okay. So it goes. Now I'm going to use my this one. Highlighting this. Mm-hmm. So this one. Okay. So it's enough today. I'll just so other Microsoft can do this. Let's see if I will do like this. Just gonna do this. Okay, give a new permission. So I can do it in the table. Now goodbye. Goodbye, Netflix. I will just